Sino from the Netherlands.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So, for example, if I pray like Dhuhr, is it permissible to, when I'm outside or at work or school, pray just a fard prayer and then make up the Sunnah before and after, let's say after like Assr or Maghrib, due to either time restriction or being anxious in public praying?
Praying the fard is what's mandatory. Offering the voluntary sunnah or rawatib, this is highly recommended, even if you skip it intentionally. Like the Bedouin who came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, what has Allah mandated upon us? The Prophet said 5 daily prayers, the fard. The man said, anything else? The Prophet said, no, unless you want to offer voluntary prayers. So the man said, by the one who sent you in truth, I will not add or deduct any of what you've said. Meaning I will only pray 5 fard. 2 Fajr, 4 Dhuhr, Asr, Isha, and 3 Maghrib. That's it. And the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, Aflaha wa abihi in sadaq. He has succeeded if he said the truth. Meaning if he complies with what he committed to himself, he has succeeded. He's going to be among the people of Jannah. So the voluntary rawatib, highly recommended, but they're not mandatory. Now, is it permissible to deliberately postpone it without a legitimate reason? The answer is no. But if someone skips it for a legitimate reason, such as there is no enough time, I have to catch up my class, there is an important meeting, I was preoccupied, or in your case for anxiety of praying in public, in this case I hope there is no problem praying it or making it up later on, inshallah.